Your car might look clean at first glance, but hidden dust, crumbs, pet hair, and trapped dirt are slowly ruining the entire driving experience. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for car interior deep cleaning that actually reach tight spaces and make detailing feel effortless. Check the links below to grab the right one for your car before the mess gets worse. The number 5 product on our list is AUXITO Car Vacuum Cleaner. Most car interiors do not get dirty all at once. It happens silently through coffee crumbs, dusty floor mats, pet hair in the seats, and sand buried deep inside tight corners nobody can properly reach. That slow buildup is exactly where the AUXITO Car Vacuum Cleaner starts feeling surprisingly useful. Tiny in size, seriously powerful in practice. The lightweight cordless design slips effortlessly between seats, cup holders, trunks, and dashboard gaps without the usual wrestling match with bulky vacuums and tangled cords. Then the high suction kicks in, pulling stubborn debris out of carpets and upholstery, far better than many compact car vacuums that only handle surface dust. The extra blowing and inflating functions also make road trips and quick cleanups feel more convenient than expected. Compared with larger garage-style shop vacs, AUXITO sacrifices large area cleaning power but wins heavily in portability and speed. It fits drivers, rideshare owners, parents, and commuters who want fast interior detailing without turning cleaning into a weekend project every single time they open the car door again. At number 4 is Houscly Car Vacuum Cleaner. Some car interiors hide more dust than people realize until sunlight cuts across the dashboard and suddenly every crumb, pet, hair strand, and layer of debris becomes impossible to ignore. The Houscly Car Vacuum Cleaner feels built for those exact moments. Small enough to keep within reach, strong enough to make neglected spaces look refreshed again. Its high-speed, brushless motor creates impressive suction for a handheld vacuum, pulling dirt from floor mats, seat seams, cup holders, and air vents without sounding painfully loud during use. Then comes the surprise. The airflow system also works as a blower, making keyboard dust, tight corners, and vent cleaning much faster than traditional mini vacuums. Compared with heavier corded car vacuums that offer stronger sustained power but less flexibility, Houscly focuses on portability and fast detailing convenience. The lightweight build is perfect for commuters, ride share drivers, parents, and road trip travelers, though larger SUVs may require occasional dust cup emptying during deep cleans. By the end of a cleanup session, the cabin feels less chaotic and far more inviting to drive again. The third one on our list is Yomile Car Vacuum Cleaner. Few things make a car feel older faster than crumbs packed into seat seams, dusty vents blowing stale air, and pet hair woven into the fabric like it belongs there forever. The Yomile Car Vacuum Cleaner attacks that mess with surprising intensity for something compact enough to fit inside a backpack. One moment it is vacuuming sand, fur, and snack debris from carpets and cup holders. The next, it transforms into a high-speed air duster, blasting dust out of keyboards, vents, dashboards, and impossible corners that larger vacuums struggle to reach. That versatility becomes addictive during quick cleanups. The powerful suction gives it an edge over many lightweight handheld vacuums that lose strength on thicker debris, while the adjustable airflow settings make delicate electronics cleaning feel safer and more controlled. Compared with bulky, corded detail vacuums, Yomile focuses more on mobility and fast everyday maintenance than marathon deep cleaning sessions. It fits commuters, tech lovers, rideshare drivers, and busy parents who want a cleaner cabin without dragging out heavy equipment every single weekend. On number 2 is Saker Car Vacuum Cleaner. Most handheld car vacuums feel useful for about 5 minutes until weak suction, bulky storage, or dead batteries turn cleaning into another unfinished chore. The Saker Car vacuum cleaner takes a completely different approach. Compact enough to disappear into a glove box, powerful enough to pull sand, crumbs, pet hair, and stubborn debris from seat gaps and floor mats without constant frustration. Then comes the clever part. Its folding design makes it incredibly easy to carry during road trips, office, or quick garage cleanups, while the blowing and pumping functions quietly expand what this little machine can actually do. 1 minute, you are vacuuming the car interior. The next, you are clearing keyboard dust or inflating travel gear before a weekend trip. Compared with larger handheld vacuums that deliver stronger nonstop suction but feel awkward in tight spaces, Saker leans into portability and versatility. The battery life handles regular detailing sessions comfortably, though larger vehicles may require occasional recharge breaks. For drivers who want fast, satisfying cleanup without dragging out oversized equipment, this vacuum earns its spot quickly. Now, moving to the last one is Azel's MONOZEL car vacuum cleaner. A dirty car does not just look messy, it slowly changes the entire driving experience. Dust in the vents, crumbs under the seats, pet hair clinging to fabric, sand grinding into floor mats. The MONOZEL car vacuum cleaner attacks those hidden frustrations with the kind of power most people do not expect from this compact. The high-speed brushless motor delivers strong suction that lifts debris from tight corners, upholstery, cup holders, and carpets without making the vacuum feel bulky or exhausting to use. Then the versatility kicks in. One attachment handles delicate dashboard gaps, while another tackles pet hair on seats and sofas. Switch modes, and it transforms into an air duster or inflator for quick roadside convenience. Compared with smaller mini vacuums that feel portable but weak, MONOZEL balances mobility with noticeably stronger cleaning performance. The LED light also becomes surprisingly useful during nighttime cleanup sessions inside dark interiors. It suits commuters, pet owners, parents, and rideshare drivers detailing with want fast turning every cleanup into a full garage project. Among all the winner, Houscly car vacuum cleaner delivers strong suction, lightweight portability, blower versatility, and effortless daily car detailing convenience everywhere. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for car interior deep cleaning. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.